Hey everybody, Amy Dickinson Campbell for Space Weather Report. This will be the space weather update for Friday, what are we looking at? The 16th of September, 2022. All right, guys, so I'm just going to read to you what their top paragraph says, and then I'm going to give you a little bit of insight on the bottom paragraph. It's called a co-rotating interaction region. This is something that I'd never heard about before, so I had to look into it a little bit, but it says NOAA forecasters say that a co-rotating interaction region, or a CIR, could hit the Earth's magnetic field on September 17th. So that's not today, that's tomorrow. So they're giving you a heads up. Now, remember we talked about yesterday that there was a crack in the magnetic field. So I don't know how bad this is going to get. So let's just go with it from there. It says CIRs are transition zones between slow and fast-moving solar wind streams. Solar wind plasma piles up in these regions, producing shock-like structures that can mimic CMEs and spark bright auroras. Now, solar winds can cause all kinds of problems, and plasma solar winds seem like they'd be really bad. They can knock planes out of the sky. They can do all kinds of things. And I know if it hits certain areas, it can cause shock waves, it can cause earthquakes, it can cause all kinds of stuff. Doesn't mean that it will, it just means that it can. So I'm giving you guys just a heads up on that. Just be safe on that one. Now, as they've got the solar winds running at 329 kilometers a second, so they're not super fast. They're not as fast as I've seen them. I've seen them at 600 and 700 and 800 kilometers a second, which is really scary, but this is in the 300 range. So that's not horrid. They are expecting M-class flares tomorrow, though. So if you couple the M-class flares with that weird CIR thing, and then, of course, we all know about AR 3088, our fun sunspot that wants to do weird things. And then we got a crack in the magnetic field. What that all totals is we just need to be vigilant. It doesn't mean that you can't be outside. It doesn't mean that you need to hibernate. It doesn't mean you need to run away and hide in the rocks. No, it doesn't mean that. But it does mean you need to take care of yourselves, your plants, and your animals, like I've been saying. Just keep doing it. The neutron count hasn't changed. It's still up 5.1%, which is good. It hasn't gone up anymore, but it's still elevated. Okay, guys. You stay safe out there. I'm sending love. And just, again, it's one of those, look out for each other. If you start to feel dizzy, if you start to feel nauseated, take a break. Get hydrated. Make sure your plants and your animals and yourselves have lots of shade and lots of hydration. Have a great day. Bye.